thing right now, just as we're swinging, like the club pad, all that's getting better, but that face is still trying to hang open a little bit. Probably wondering why I'm holding on. So what I like to do just to visualize face is the release patterns in tennis, ping pong, racket sports like that are very similar to golf, and just how we use our wrist angles and all that stuff. But biggest thing is obviously tennis, the ball is moving versus golf, it's sitting still. But we can use this as kind of like a general guide to like start to feel the differences and see the differences mainly. This is obviously a lot easier to see than a club face. And when this is moving, it's hard to tell, like, is it open, close? Definitely takes a little bit of a trained eye to get that down a little bit. But all I'm really seeing, like if I were to hold these together through impact, what I see a lot of right now, and it kind of a big reason why the club path and the face want to bounce around a little bit, is through impact, it's not that we're not releasing, but we're really just kind of holding this angle very, very long. So as I do that, you can see like the face just stays wide open. Obviously I'm exaggerating for visual purposes, but even if I just do that slightly when I'm going 70 plus miles an hour, that face is just not going to have the time to get the closure rate that we need. So biggest thing right now, and in all honesty, what I would like to see in the next couple shots, like a snap. Like we're just going to hit a big hook, like try to remind ourselves like what this closure really feels like. So as I'm doing so, think of tennis, ping pong, anything like that, right? It's very much for me to close that club face. If I could feel almost like a cross-court forehand or a forehand smash, anything like that, that requires a little bit of this wrist rotation, forearm rotation, all of that is one solid unit, right? That's gonna help us just get that closed a lot faster than we have been right now. So I'm just gonna hand this to you. Just take it in your right hand real quick.
Okay.
And I want you to, I'll hold it for you.
Okay.
I want you to rehearse that shot, the one we just hit. So what would that feel like
So
to hit just right hand?
Just right hand.
Yep, just right hand.
Like
Big
backward.
push. Yeah. So rehearse what's happening right now, like a big push. Almost go like slow-mo. Good. Perfect. That's exactly. We're trying to like slow it down, feel what that actually feels like technically, and then we can add the speed back into play. I always like to think of if I was going to crack a whip, right, or a wet towel or anything like that, like it requires that timing to do so, right? If I try to do it very stiff and almost push it, I might get 1 out of 10, but it's not going to be very consistent, right? And right now, like that's just what we're missing is that last second, like snap, pop, whatever adjective we really want to use, like to get that club face to catch up to what our hands are.
Okay.
So just go practice swing with that right hand only and kind of feel that same sensation for me. Good. Yeah, it's going to feel very exaggerated. Obviously, we're going to lose a little bit of control, one hand and all that, but let's do a couple here for me. Yeah, very nice.
Okay. I feel that rotation.
Yep. Good. All right, so throw both hands back on there, and I want you to just hit one. Let's go full swing, but call it 50% speed. All right, and we're just trying to get that ball left of center. Good. Very good. So didn't get the numbers on that one, but we can see it picks up start direction no matter what. So we know face was at least a little bit closed, maybe a degree or two, just based on how far left that went. So let's just hit a couple more. Maybe go to like 75% speed now.
Okay. Ooh, that one I felt.
Felt a little push, pull, whatever. Yeah, yeah. Perfect. All right, let's go one more. Just kind of back into normal swing, whatever you're 80, 90, 100%, whatever you hang out at. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And right now, like to get rid of kind of the big rightness or the overcorrection of two-wayness, like we want to imagine right of center is trees, water, it's trouble.
Okay.
Right? Like, let's just get that thing turned over, and then we can ease it back, neutral it back to that nice little push draw that I know you like to hit.